Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On today's video, Selling on Etsy for Beginners, I'm going to show you a real cool extension that helps you see the price and out of stock Etsy listing price from your competitors. So it's going to reveal the sales price even things that are out of stock. So that's really cool. And it's really simple to install. There's no instructions. It's just a little button that you press, add, and it installs, and you don't have to do anything after that. So if you want to learn how to do research on your competitors and see how much they sold specific items, this is the video for you. If this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel and you want to learn how to build an impactful Etsy business, please subscribe today. Show me some love by liking this video and leaving a comment below. So let's dive in. So this is a store that I'm doing this video with. I don't know this person. They have a beautiful shop. And right now, in order to use this extension, whenever you research another Etsy store and you want to compare prices, you want to see what they sold different prices on, you have to make sure that the sell option right here is open. If they have that closed off, you're not able to see the pricings. So once you click in here, you're going to be able to see every single item that they sold. Right now, all you see is the word sold only. Now, once you add the extension, you'll be able to see the price of each item, even if the item is not available in the store, which is really cool. This extension is going to help you not only do research, but if you have another store that's your competitor and they're making a killing, you could kind of compare the prices and see if you need to lower your prices or maybe even put your prices at a higher point. But it's a really cool tool, not only to be sneaky and look at other people's stores and see how much they made or how much they sold an item, but it's very good for competitive like researching your items, comparing, seeing what prices you need to place your items. So let's go ahead and install the actual extension. I had it, but I removed it just so I could show you guys. So I'm going to leave this link below this video. I'm going to leave a link. You click there and it's going to take you to Chrome. And this is an extension for Chrome. So you have to have Chrome installed in your computer or in your laptop. So what you do is once you go and you click on the link, the extension is called Etsy Sold. So if you click here, it says add to Chrome. It's just one click. You click it there. You say, yes, I want to add extension. And it automatically adds the extension. As you can see, it has been added. And later on in the future, if you want to remove it, you just remove it. And it's a simple process. It takes within 2 seconds, like you just saw. Now, the way that you know you have it in your browser is that you'll see this little dollar sign that comes up here. And when you hover on top of it, it says Etsy Sold. That's how you know you have it installed in your computer, basically. Now you go back to the store that you're researching. Let's say this is the one. I'm going to refresh the page and you're going to be able to see the prices now. So now you're able to see the prices here. Now, if this store had only like 4 pages, let's say 4 pages of things that they sold, I could possibly go in each page and add up right here the total and know exactly how much money they have made. You could get to that, you could get very analytical with it. However, the store has 329 pages, so that will be time consuming to do. But you get the point of what I'm trying to say. And you'll be able to go through all the listings and you'll be able to see what price they sold it for at that given moment. If you see the price fluctuate, like you go to their main page and it says $5, but you go here and it says $7 for the same item, it could have been like a holiday season or their peak time, they raised the price up, they sold it, and maybe now it's not peak time, so they lower the prices. And that's really good to pay attention to that, because then if you know that your stuff is wedding season, maybe this person, maybe your competitor raised their prices on wedding season. Once that was over, they kind of lower their prices. A lot of stores do that, and it's a very good idea to do. So this is going to give you an idea of what they're selling, what price they sold it for. That way you could price your items correctly, especially if they're your competitors. So I hope that this tool helped you. If you like this video, don't forget to share it so other people could learn from it as well. And thank you guys for watching.